Hello, Abdul. This is Paulina. I hope you're feeling better now. I just wanted to create a small video, a short video for you so you can practice a little bit. And that means hopefully on Monday, when I come and see you next, you will be able to remember lots. So last week we looked at shops and what you can buy in shops. So we looked at fruit that you can buy from the market, vegetables that you can buy from the grocer, medicine that you can buy from the pharmacy, shopping, any shopping from the supermarket, clothes that you can buy from the high street or also in the market, stamps from the post office, and bread from the bakery or cake from the bakery, and chicken from the halal butchers. So I wanted to ask you if you can check these words, read what they say, and then put them in an arrow where you think they go. So we have here medicine, and that goes together with the pharmacy or the chemist. So read these words, fruit, the market, and then attach them to the right pictures. It just helps you to recognize the writing. And this part was for Asifa, for your wife. Now, here is an audio which I'm going to send to you separately. That means a listening exercise where you can buy items, and I want you to listen, but this time I also wrote it down. So when I send you the recording, you need to listen to it and have your paper so you can read it properly and you can recognize it. And then hopefully on Monday, we will try a little bit of speaking where you can read, but also speak at the same time. So I'm hoping this will increase so that it will increase your confidence. What I mean to say, it will make you happier to speak. Okay. And then here is some more recording with prices because I know you're very good at that, but we're going to practice the listening for them too. Okay, and then if we have more time, I'm going to go over places where you can find things. In English language teaching, we call this prepositions of place. They are just little small words to find out where is what. So remember in the video where the lady was asking for spices and a tin of tomatoes and tissues, she asked where is what. So we're going to look at all of this: behind, in front, in, by or next to, over, between, which is something really useful, under, and on. So we will be doing that on Monday, and we will practice with places in St. Albans. I hope that works for you, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye.